You got a parade here in downtown Elko. Got a little ride together. Oh yeah! Today we're headed out to the Mosko Moto Dusty Lizard, and we're gonna say it's in Park City because I don't want to have to say that name over and over again. Camas, Utah. We got Manuel on the BMW GS, that's 2018, and we got Ruben up front on the KLR. Here we go. Should be a great ride. We're headed over for the weekend. Supposed to be a band there. I think it's called Picky Out Strings, some bluegrass band, and spend the day screwing around the Uinta Mountains. Oh yeah, ADV Nevada. I posted up that Mosko Moto Rally, the Dusty Lizard, on the YouTube community page and Instagram, and I had a couple of subscribers hit me up. They wanted to go, so we are headed over to the Mosko Moto Dusty Lizard for a little ADV Utah action. You guys probably noticed the new tank bag. I figured I couldn't go to the Mosko Moto Rally without any of my Mosko gear. Not to mention, I've always really loved this tank bag. Just so happened that when my Pan America blew up, I traded it in and I left one of the straps on the bike. Or I got one off. Maybe I cut a bolt off and I lost one. But either way, I've been waiting for that second tank bag kit, the extra mounting kit, to come in for almost a year now. So look at me. I'm rocking my Mosko Moto Nomax tank bag again. And I got 2 liters of water with me. What I like to do with my tank bag is I'll take that bladder and I'll fill it up just about halfway with water, blow it up with air through the hose with the lid sealed so it's kind of like a balloon, and then lay it flat in the freezer. And that freezes about half your water. And then the next morning I fill it up the rest of the way, and then you got ice water all day long. I've even done that in California in the dead heat of the summer at I don't know, 110 degrees through LA, Skid Row all day, downtown, uptown, out in the hills, Beverly Hills. Always had ice water. It lasts all day like that. So I'm pretty happy. I got all the same crap stuffed in this tank bag I did the other one. Probably a little more. It looks pretty full, but it also has a water bladder in there. Ah, look at Ruben. He's got that KLR spun up pretty good. 81 miles an hour. I know the top speed's 88. Flats are flooded. I was thinking we'd get a cool picture brought out there, but not today. Wow, that don't happen very often. Boy, the salt flats are usually never flooded this time of year. Well, welcome to Wendover, Nevada. Or West Wendover. Just there on the other side of that mountain, that's Utah. We're almost there. Oh yeah, welcome to Utah. Oh. And Ruben on flooded salt flats. A little money to get the bike out there now. We'd be real sorry. Well, I never thought my YouTube channel would turn into this. Apparently it's Adventure Glide Tours. Out on the salt flats again. Just around this corner up here is the Great Salt Lake. Oh yeah, you see those mountains up there in the distance? That's where Park City is. We're gonna cruise up and we're gonna catch Big Cottonwood Canyon and run all the way up over into Park City. Then from Park City we'll hit Camas. We're cutting across Salt Lake the back way. Right now we're just south of Salt Lake City.
You like traffic?
Yeah, it makes it fun.
With the bull spiders and the cow with the bull.
What the hell was that? My lane just ended? I don't know what any of these signs mean. Very European. Oh, this is terrible. Wow, I've never been this way through Salt Lake City, but it's beautiful. And right now we're coming up on Big Cottonwood Canyon. This should be an awesome road going up through these mountains here. I believe these mountains that we see here in front of us, these are the Wasatch Mountain Range. ADV Utah. We can get this Tesla out of our way. And here we are at Big Cottonwood Canyon, right at the mouth. This looks like a fancy area. Look at this. Wow. This is impressive. Oh yeah, Big Cottonwood Canyon. No dogs in canyon, no car camping. Take wallet with you. What? Wasatch National Forest. Oh wow. No wonder why the rich people live here. This is beautiful. Dogs are prohibited at Dogwood. Dogs are prohibited at Dogwood. Take a look at this. Oh, Utah. Look at them. They're climbing those rocks. Wow. Those guys. Look at this. Now, I have a group to tour, but I also have the open road. Oh. Oh, yeah. Woohoo. I'll wait for him up here. Look at this. Wow. Now this is impressive. Big Cottonwood Canyon. Holy crap. Look at this. Oh man, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but my mouth is wide open right now. Just look at it. Wow. Look at this. Holy crap. I'm pulling on. It's all right, huh?
It's pretty cool.